welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm and it helps me grow as a channel. So today's video is going to be based off of workout clothes. So for those who don't know me, my name is Ruth Bustillos and I have been in the fitness industry close to now 5 years. 5 years ago, I started my journey. I started my first competition, and honestly, ever since then, it's been history. So one of the biggest things that I have seen in the fitness industry are workout clothes. So there are some beautiful workout clothes out there, but then there's also those workout clothes that I would highly recommend people to stay away from. It doesn't flatter your body, it's see-through, and quality is just not good. One of the brands that I wanted to show today is Gymshark. So Gymshark so far has been good to me as far as having good squat proof pants, and I ordered a haul because they just had a 50% off of all their merchandise. It's 50% off for no reason according to their website. Personally, I think it's because of the stimulus check, but that's none of my business. But I wanted to show you guys what those outfits look like on me, and then that way you guys can make a better decision when you guys are buying Gymshark. So let's go ahead and try them out and we'll check them out. Alright guys, so before I put on any clothes, I do want to show you guys the package that my clothes came in. So it came in this big package. I want to go ahead and open it now and show you guys. I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, so I honestly don't even remember what's in here. Some of the clothes that I got were just really cute, stuff that I would actually wear at the gym. So let's go ahead and just open one. I'm going to put this bag down. Let's open one and then just kind of see. Oh, this is a sports bra. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this. Oh, I like it. And then I like it because it has the V cut, so that way I don't look so flat chested with my shirts. Some of the sports bra that I've worn go straight across and it just really pushes down my breast. But this looks really breathable. The material is actually really nice. I like it. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is kind of see-through right there. And then they have, you know, the good material right over here. So far this bra, I would have to give it out of 1 to 10, maybe like a good solid 8, if not a little bit higher. Ooh, and I just noticed this is a cross bag. Look at that. That's so cool. So I'm excited to really try this one on. So I'm going to try this on right now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put on outfits, and then I'm just going to give you guys, like I said, a review on the material, everything about it, just because I know, like I said, I really struggle when it comes to shopping online, especially Gymshark doesn't have any local retail that you could just go in and try on clothes. And honestly, that is my biggest downfall right now as far as ordering online. I know everybody's transitioning to online, especially with COVID and so on and so forth, but I think that just, you know, whenever I want to order any clothes, I definitely check out reviews, because I don't want to waste my time and money, because sometimes, most of the time when I order clothes and they don't fit, or, you know, for whatever reason, or I don't like it, or the quality is bad, I just end up leaving it in my closet. I don't even have the time to return it. I just, you know, so that's why I just wanted to do this, you guys, especially for my fitness community. I know that we sometimes struggle, so let's go ahead and try this on, okay? Alright guys, so we are back. I went ahead and changed, and I put on these low rise. Actually, let me go ahead and get the little tag. So these are called Flex Low Rise Leggings, and they're black. These are medium. I do feel like they are true to size. So far, I really like them. So if you guys can see the back, you know, and then we have this top. I don't know the name of the top. It didn't come with the tag, so I'm just gonna go based off of tags when I show you guys. But I really like it, and I think it's really cute because here on the side, you can go ahead, you can leave it loose if you just want, you know, kind of like a chill day, or you could just tie it up, and then let's see, you could tie it up and be a little bit more sexier. So you can kind of like, you know, give yourself a little bit more shape in the back. I do feel like these are the original Gymshark pants, the ones that are really meant to flatter your back end area. So far I really like the material. It feels thick. I don't feel like it's any cheap material. It is flexible, breathable. So we're going to do the squat test. So it's a squat test. I'm just going to squat down and I'm going to let you know how I feel. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Do it one more time. So I did feel when I was going down, they are going down a little bit on my back side, but they are also low rise. So you kind of have to expect that as well. If they're low rise, they're more likely going to go down. But so far, I mean, everything feels good. Material feels great. The top actually feels kind of silky, which is kind of nice. Breathable, especially when you're in the gym and you're sweating and stuff like that. Just a little bit tight right here, but that's just me. I usually carry my fat on my upper body up here and then also on my thighs. So I have really thick thighs, and then when I start gaining weight, I tend to gain it in my back area and then my arms. So my arms are probably a little bit more thicker than normal, but so far so good, you guys. I really like this outfit and I think it looks really cute. I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think so far? So yeah, I like it. Would I wear this to the gym? Absolutely. Yes, I love it. I feel like I can be confident. I can walk around, squat, and do. Yeah, it feels great, you guys. So far so good. Let's try another one. Alright guys, so this is our second outfit, and this is a sports bra that I showed when we first opened our package. And as you guys can remember, the back has an X, so that's where the strap area goes. I really like it. I like how it shows a little bit of cleavage, but it's not too much. This is a large just because my breasts are a little bit larger than normal. And then we have the high-rise leggings, and those I really enjoy and like because there's a lot of flexibility in them. So we're going to do the squat test, and then I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about them. So let's go ahead and do that right now, okay? So let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect because, again, it's not like the low-rise leggings that I tried on right now where it was going down. These actually stay up, they stay in place. I really enjoy them. Again, I feel like it has the old Gymshark kind of like the design, the first leggings that they put out. So I think that they look really good, especially on the booty. I don't know, what do you guys think? And then sports bra, I love, support, it's great. I really enjoy it. So far so good, you guys. I don't know, I kind of feel, you know, like everything that I've gotten, great quality. I was kind of iffy because they had that 50% off, and I figured maybe the quality is not going to be as good, because I will admit I have ordered from Gymshark and the quality is not the best. So I'm sorry, Gymshark, I just have to be honest with my viewers. So I'm going to go ahead and try on a different outfit. Let me know what you guys think about this one. What do you guys think so far? Alright guys, I'm back, and you guys, I really like this outfit. I know, I'm trying to look at the downfall on all of these clothes. So far, so good. The top, I really feel like it's sporty, kind of like, you know, I don't know, go lift heavy, hard, you know, kind of show your muscles through your shirt. I don't know, I really like it. It's really comfortable, flexible, breathable. It has these little holes so you can put your thumbs through it, as you guys can see, and I like it. I really do. I have these shorts on. I like them. Not too big of a fan. It has the old original design as well, as you guys can see. And then from the back, here we go. Got some booty here. Not a big fan. The waistband was a little bit too tight. Maybe I should have gone a size larger. I'm not too sure. These are medium, so maybe I could have gone larger and it could have been a lot better. But it is a little bit tight. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. When I looked in the mirror, you can tell that it's kind of sticking out my lonquita that I have right here. So, which isn't bad. I mean, it's no big deal. But that was kind of the only thing. But other than that, they are flexible. They are, you know. Let's do the squat test real quick just to kind of try them out. So let's go ahead and squat. I like it. Yes. So, I mean, it kind of goes with the design that it has already. When I go down, I literally feel like the pockets that it has right here, it just kind of gets full. So I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, but that's how these shorts feel. Another thing is I never wear shorts when I do squats, or actually ever. I don't wear shorts to the gym. So I'm really excited to try these out, just to kind of see how they feel. You know, once you start sweating, once you start building up that moisture, I want to see if it really feels the same way. But I am excited. We're in the spring, so I feel like having not short shorts is okay right now because of the fact that we're not in summer. So just like midway, like to the thigh, I mean, I don't see why not, and I'm so excited to try these on at the gym. I probably wouldn't wear these two together. I don't feel like it didn't go well when I put it on, but I wanted to put it on just to show you guys. I'll probably put this one on with the first, actually with the high rise leggings that I just tried on right now. I think that's a better match. And then with these, I'll probably do a different shirt. So you know what, with these I would actually do the white shirt that I first tried on, because I think it would look really cute, especially like I said, the lonjita that's hanging out, and if it just covers that, I think we're good. So let's try on another one. Alright guys, so we're back and we're with our fourth outfit. You guys, I think so far this is my favorite outfit. I told you guys I don't do shorts. I really like these shorts. They're so breathable and flexible. I really like them. I mean, I can just like, it's good. I'm not flexible right now. So, but yeah, a lot of the times, or one of the biggest reasons why I didn't want to do shorts is because this stem right here, it seems tight, but honestly, it's so breathable. Like, it's flexible. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, so it looks tight, but I think every gym clothes looks tight, but it's actually really comfortable. So don't get deceived by that. This design, this jacket design, is one of my favorites. If anybody knows me, knows that I love anything that has like a collar. I don't know, I just feel like it really brings out shape, as far as like, kind of like it just goes up, and you know, kind of like classy, sexy and stuff, especially if you have a little bit of cleavage. And then this sports bra, I totally messed up. I ordered a medium instead of a large, which really sucks because I really like it. I feel like it brings out my cleavage area, but it's not too much. Again, I wouldn't wear it by itself. I'd probably put another shirt over it, but if I do have a little bit of cleavage, it can show and it's not too much. And again, I really like this outfit. I think this is a perfect hiking outfit. Like if you go out to the mountains, because I live in Colorado, you can go out to the mountains, you know, you can take off your jacket and get a little bit of fresh air. You can take it all off. Or if it gets a little bit chilly, you can just put it back on, and it really snuggles you up, like, so you guys can see. So, and it's warm. The material is actually not too bad. I really like it. Obviously, you don't want to wear this in a cold day. It's more of like a, I don't know, like 70 degrees, 60 degree. It'll keep you warm, but obviously any colder than that, you want to put on a thicker jacket. But so far, so good, you guys. Let's go ahead and do the squat test just to kind of check it out first. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, yeah. It feels, here, I'll put this up a little bit more. It feels great on the booty, you guys. These shorts, amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below to all of these outfits that I have on right now. I really want to make sure that you guys, if you guys want to try out any of these workout clothes, feel free to do so. I so far will give it like a, from 1 to 10, a good solid 8.5. Like, I love it, but I feel like there's still a little bit more to improve on. So where is there to improve on? Maybe, like I said, the strap on the other shorts. I really like this jacket. The support is great. Just when it comes to size, true to size, it's a little tiny off, which isn't a big deal, because again, like, I can slim down, or I can also, you know, gain the weight to fill it in. But a lot of people that are just wanting, you know, some good exercise clothes, it's pretty dang close. I wouldn't say 100%, but it is really close. So if you are indecisive, I would just go with the size a little bit bigger. If you know, if you're normally a medium, I'd probably go with the large. And then that way, if you lose weight, you know, it's not going to be too bad. Like I said, I am a medium, and these were a little bit tight, but not too bad. I think the tightness is part of, you know, the gym attire, but at the same time, being comfortable, you know. But other than that, I really think that Gymshark did a great job, especially with this 50% off. I really thought they were gonna go cheaper with the quality, but so far they did so well. So good job, Gymshark. I'm so proud of you. So keep up the good work with everything that you're. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this review on Gymshark, and if you guys have any other brands that you want me to go ahead and do a review on, go ahead and leave in the comments below. But also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also give it a thumbs up, just because that way we can break the YouTube algorithm and more people get to see this channel. So thank you so much for everything. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.